Description: Reawaken your hair to its glossiest, healthiest prime. This rejuvenating cleaner and conditioner blends time-honored oils and extracts with our high-tech, bio-restorative complex to smooth each cuticle and undo damage of time. Benefits: restores dry, damaged hair. Seals in moisture. Helps reduce split ends. Protects against future damage. Suggested use: lather, indulge, for conditioner, rinse. Loves all hair types, especially dry and damaged. Color and keratin treatment safe. All Oribe products are formulated with safe, high-quality, innovative ingredients. Proudly approved by PETA. Top reviews from the United States. Luxious. I am a huge sucker for Oribe, and the Gold Lust conditioner is probably my favorite of all their products. The smell of course is unmatched, but I am far more concerned about the effects of my hair, and this one delivers. My hair is dark but never looks very shiny, but after I use this conditioner I have such great shine and body. Abso.